Hi, my name is Taylor, and this is my screencast assignment for the Excel assignment. So I haven't messed with Excel in probably about maybe a year, but I mainly used it for chemistry, so I'm fairly okay and comfortable with using it. Like, there's definitely more I could learn. I'd actually really enjoy learning more tricks for Excel because it's pretty handy, especially in science when you're making tables and working with your data. So what I remember is I can duplicate numbers. Like if I typed in 1 here, and then I can drag it all the way down here, and it copies the 1. This also makes it really, really easy if I delete this, and then I can do that, and everything's deleted. Another thing I can do is I can do simple things like this, and then I can have it, drag it, oops, so I'm not using my mouse right now. I can drag it, and then I can have it continue the form, you could say. I also know how to add up all these things quickly. It's a little formula, equal sum, it's just column A, A1 to A, what is that, 15? A15. Boom, 105. So that's a few things that I remember. Oh, and I also know how to make a chart. And I can put these into a table if I wanted to. Insert table. Ta-da! And if I wanted to make a new table, I could do 4, 8, 12, 6. So we'll continue. Sorry, I shouldn't use my mouse, but that's okay. And we'll do some here. Some B2 to B16. And then I can take this and I can insert I prefer scatter graphs because it's what I'm used to. And so we can go. And I know how to change all the labels and stuff around here, like change the tops and sides. I know how to label it, label the sides, label the bottom, change what the graph looks like, add colors. Yeah, it's pretty much like what I know right now off the top of my head. There's probably some more stuff that I do know that I'm just not thinking of, but thank you for listening to my assignment, and I hope you have a great night.